Homework doesn't help you learn. Although that may not be entirely true, we definitely feel like that sometimes. I'm John Foley, and I wanted to know if homework actually was beneficial for us, or if it was just something teachers gave us to keep us busy. So, I went online and looked up articles and surveys to figure that out. I found that although homework does have some harm to it, overall it's generally beneficial for us. The 3 points we're going to look at today are the negative aspects of homework, how much it does hurt us, the benefits of homework, and how to reduce the stress of doing homework. So starting with the negative aspects of homework. Denise Pope, lecturer at Stanford Graduate School of Education, found that 56% of students, homework is a primary source of stress. Homework leads to sleep deprivation. She also found that too much homework leaves little time for extracurricular activities and developmental needs. Alfie Kohn, in his book, The Homework Myth, Why Our Kids Get Too Much of a Bad Thing, could not find a correlation between homework and higher test scores. So it seems homework does hurt us. But let's look at some of the beneficial aspects I found. Robert Marzano found that appropriate amounts of homework does raise test scores by 23 percentile points. Harris Cooper, a professor of psychology and neuroscience at Duke University, found that homework does in fact correlate with achievement, though not so strongly in elementary school. So although sometimes homework seems pointless, it does help. So how do we alleviate some of that stress that homework gives us? Rachel Lohman found quality over quantity is generally the guideline to follow. So instead of assigning a lot of homework, teachers should be making sure that all the homework they assign has a reason for it. At the end of our article, calls for teachers to assign homework with a clear rationale. As an example, this assignment. Obviously, it's to help us practice making informative speeches, a skill that we will all need in our future lives and careers. Sean Cover, in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective College Students, found that a lot of stress comes from procrastination. We usually live a very urgent lifestyle, meaning that we like to have things instantly, and we get distracted very easily. So we have to practice proper planning to ensure ample time for homework to reduce the stress. In conclusion, homework does cause stress, but it also leads to higher test scores when implemented properly. So with less stress from homework, we can find less stress from homework with proper planning of our time. So even though homework hurts, it does help us. Thank you very much.